So hello and welcome everyone to this new video of the digital electronics. This is the 11th video of the playlist digital electronics, and today we are going to understand how to do binary subtraction using the method that is 1's complement method. First of all, we need to understand that what is this 1's complement method and how to do this 1's complement. So it is very easy. Let's say you are having a number, let's say it is 1010. Okay, when you do its 1's complement, all the ones will be replaced by zeros and all the zeros will be replaced by ones. So if you see, this 0 will become 1, this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. So this is the 1's complement, right? So how to use this 1's complement method for doing the subtraction of two numbers? So the method is very easy. Let's say you are having a number a from which you want to subtract b. Okay, you want to perform a minus b. So what you need to do, you need to take 1's complement of the negative number. Here our negative number is b. So you need to take the 1's complement of b. Let's call it c. Okay, 1's complement of b, we are giving the name as c. And after that, what you need to do, you need to add a plus c. Here c is basically 1's complement of b. Okay, and when you do the addition, that is basically your answer, or you can say result. So the method is very easy. Now here you need to understand one thing, and that is the last and important thing. After doing this addition, let's say if there is a carry generated, okay, if there is a carry generated, then your answer is positive answer. Okay, and the second step you need to do, you need to add the carry into the answer. Okay, so add the carry to the answer and that will be your final answer. Okay, so if you are doing a plus c and if the carry is generated, then your answer is positive. Add that carry to the answer and that will be your final answer. Now if there is no carry, okay, if no carry is generated, if there is no carry, then the answer is negative answer. Okay, your answer is negative answer, and then you need to take, again you need to take 1's complement of your answer. Answer means a plus c's result, right? So these are the steps. First of all, if you are doing a minus b, then take b's 1's complement, that will be c. Then add both of them, a plus c. If after adding them you are having a carry, that carry means that your answer is positive. Add that carry to the answer and that will be your final answer. If there is no carry, that means your answer is negative. In that case, you need to take 1's complement of your answer and that will be your final answer. Okay, now we will see everything, all these steps with the examples, because this will give you clear and cut idea that how it is happening. So first example what we are taking over here is we need to perform 6-bit subtraction of 28 minus 15. So we all know that 28 minus 15, your answer should be 13. Okay, but here we will do with the 1's complement. First of all, I will write the 6-bit binary of the 28. Okay, so 28's binary would be 0111100. Similarly, 15's binary in the 6-bit will be 0011 1 and 1. So we have noted down the binary for 28 as well as for the 15 in the 6-bit format, because here we have to perform 6-bit subtraction. Now here you check out, we need to do 28 minus 15. So our negative number is what? 15. So we will take the 1's complement of 15, right? So it would be what? This 0 will become 1, this 0 will become 1, and all the other 4 ones will become 0. So this is your 1's complement of 15. Then what we will do, we will add 28 plus 1's complement of 15. So it is 0 111100 plus 11 4 times 0. Okay, now what we will do, addition, it's a very simple thing. So 0 plus 0 is 0, again 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is what? 1. 1 plus 1 is, yes, 0, and 1 is the carry, and 1 plus 1 is what? 0, and here you have the carry 1, right? If the carry is generated, then your answer is positive. Here also you can check out, we are having the answer plus 13. So what we need to do, we get the surety that our answer is positive. Secondly, we will add this carry to the answer. So we will add this carry to this answer. So now we will do the again addition, 0 plus 1 is 1 and remaining will be as it is, right? So this is my final answer and this is basically 13, right? 13's binary is 1101. So this is how you are getting the answer using the 1's complement method. So here we have the carry which gives us the surety that our answer is positive, and when we add the carry to the answer, it gives us the final answer. Now what we will do, we will take the reverse, right? Now what we will do, we will take 15 minus 28. So first of all, we will write the binary of 15 in the 6-bit format. Again we have 6-bit subtraction. So binary of the 15 is 0 0 1 1 1 1, right? And binary of 28 is what? 0 1 1 1 0 0. Now here our 28 is negative, so we will take 1's complement of 28. So this will be what? 1 0 0 0 1 and 1. Now we will add 15 and 1's complement of 28. So 0 0 1 1 1 1 plus we will add this 1 0 0 0 1 and 1. When we do the summation, 1 plus 1 will be, answer is 0 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, here your answer will be 1 and carry will be 1. 1 plus 1, answer will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1, answer will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1 and 0 plus 1 will be 1. Here if you check out, we do not have any carry. Okay, that means what? Your answer is negative. If we do not have any carry, your answer is negative. Then what we need to do? We need to take the 1's complement of the answer. So if we take 1's complement of the answer, then this is 0 0 1 1 0 and 1. So if you check out, this is basically the binary of what? 13. But you need to also understand that this 13 is having the sign negative. So your answer is minus 13, and that you can also understand. If you do 15 minus 28, your answer will be minus 13. So this is how you are going to do the binary subtraction using the 1's complement method. Let's take another example, complex example, to get in-depth knowledge about how to do the binary subtraction using the 1's complement method. Here we have two numbers. The first number is 1111.1011. The second number we have is what? 1001.1001. This is the negative number, and that is why we will take its first complement. So it is 0, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 0. Again this is 0, this will be 1, this will be 1 and this will be 0. Now this is the first complement that we will add with the positive number. So here it will be 0110.0110. When we do the addition, our answer will be 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, the carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer is 0, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer is 0, carry will be 1, here point will come, 1 plus 1 answer is 0, carry will be there, 1 plus 1 plus 1 answer is 1 and carry will be 1. Again we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, so answer will be 1, carry will be 1, 1 plus 1 answer is 0, and now we have the carry. This carry means that our answer is positive, and that is why we will add this carry to our final answer and it will be added over here. So our answer will be 0 1, here 1 will be the carry, right, and 0.0110. I hope that after watching these three examples, you are now very clear about how to do the binary subtraction using 1's complement method. So that's it about the video. I request you to please subscribe this channel. Your subscription will motivate me a lot in bringing this kind of content regularly. Also, I request you to follow me on the Instagram and LinkedIn. And yes, you can watch more videos like this and you can explore many other playlists that is created on this channel. So I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.